Step one, get your stuff gathered, get it together. Get out. I know, that's how I usually call you, huh? Your chickens come in a box from the post office. You pull them out of the box, you dip the beak in the water, and then that's pretty much it. They'll find the food on their own. Boom, peepers added. Keep them alive. That's the hardest thing from now until you put them out. That's just the hardest thing from now until you butcher them, is just keep them alive. Keep feeding them, keep them alive. There's lots of people online with a lot better information. If you want to get educated, check out them. Homesteady, they do a great job. Check out Austin Cade. He's very educational, very informative, and they'll give you all kinds of information on how to keep these alive. Get started, do something. Help your family, help your friends, help yourself. Help you go. Start.
Whoa, we don't want you to step on them. Okay, stop.
Get out before you kill a chicken. This is why the post office is happy to let you come and get them at the back door. They just don't stop.